So apparently this thing's only 500 watts? Unbelievable. It feels like a lot more power than that. Really surprised. Hey, so anyway, this was actually one of the easiest assemblies I've ever done on an e-bike. I've gotten a few of them. This one, there was very little to assemble. Just put the handlebars on and the seat and take off all the stuff, and the tools were all there. Pretty amazing. I was pretty happy with all that. All right, guys, we're all assembled. I'm actually pretty amazed by this bike. And what I'm going to do real quick is we're going to go over the features. If you want to skip ahead and go for a ride with me on it, we've got a weather issue, so I'm waiting for that to clear. And I've got just a minute here before the rain starts again. So let's go over the features of the bike. All the things that are on it are the things you really need on an e-bike. Number one, you want a bike that has a rack. In my other bike that I got, my cheaper bike one, it has, and again, the price on this thing, look at the link in the description, really dirt cheap, half the price of most e-bikes. So this one has the rack. It has a headlight and a tail light, so that if you're out somewhere at night, you can use that, okay? So it has that. It also has front suspension. It also has fat tires, which are nice for a good smooth ride. And if you get in the dirt, it's not as squirrely, and you can actually kind of navigate through the dirt a little bit with these kind of tires. This thing folds up to a really small, compact area, so you can pick it up and put it in your trunk. Even though it's made of steel, it is pretty light because of the size of the wheels. And the wheels have no spokes, so you don't have that to worry about. You have these nice little mag wheels. They're aluminum, and you have all that stuff that you really need in a basic bike. It has a nice display here. So this thing's just kind of basic, and it shows you how many miles you are. It shows your speeds, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it goes to 5, and that's it. But it also has a really cool feature. See, if you push the minus, okay, and hold it. So if I'm going to ride around on it, I'm just going to kind of do a little quick ride. The weather's cleared a little bit. Let's see if it does it. Let's see. Okay, there it is. You push and hold this, okay, the minus, and you can just do a cruise mode. So you can just go really slow, and like I can hold my camera and kind of hold this, and it kind of cruises along. It doesn't go uphill much. It just kind of does like a little, on flat ground, you can do like a little cruise, where sometimes if you use the pedal assist, so I have this pedal assist on 5, if you have it on anything and you accidentally pedal, okay, and you accidentally pedal a little bit, what happens is, so I got it on cruise mode, again, I'm on 0, all right, and you accidentally pedal, all of a sudden your bike takes off. The other thing that's really cool on this thing that I noticed just from a little bit of riding on it is the pedal assist on some of these, I've noticed is kind of jerky. You start to pedal it and it comes on a little too hard. And like for my wife, that scares the daylights out of her, and it's nothing for me. I don't mind it, but some people, you might get a little timid with that, okay? So this thing, the pedal assist comes on really smoothly. So it's really nice there. It does have disc brakes. I don't think they're the really big ones, but they're adequate. They're, I don't know what that is. They're Shimano, or no, Shimano derailleur. The derailleur works flawlessly. Okay. Now the disadvantages of this bike are their 16-inch wheels, but in some ways that's an advantage because it goes more compact. Okay, this bike will fold up to a really compact area, so you could put this in your VW bus. I can probably even get it to fit in my double cab or a single cab in the side cabinet. I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to try that to see if it works. So it folds up really small. So advantages, it folds up really small. Disadvantages is a smaller tire. can, you know, if you're in like dirt or whatever, it can follow ruts a little bit easier, which if, you know, that could be something that you want to consider. To me, that's no issue, because also these are tall because they are, what do they call the sand tires, the bigger size. So they're real tall. They're taller than a regular 16-inch bike, you know, for your kid or whatever. You know, a really narrow tire that's small would kind of want to follow into little things, where a taller tire wants to roll over things better. So it kind of checks about every box you need for a foldable bike, and you have enough power, and it gets around great. So anyway, super value. Even this is kind of neat. It has this little seat folding issue thing, a little push that you just push that. Other bikes I had don't have that. And again, we'll just go ride it a little bit, and you guys can check it out with me. So anyway, all the basic stuff's here. Even has a bell, you know, if you need that. All the stuff you need right here. Let's go ride it. All right, so we're on an uphill. Whoa, I'm not used to the throttle. It's very quick. Wide uphill, no pedaling, just goes right up hills. Really rides nice. Like I said, the brakes could be a little bit better because they're kind of a smaller, I think they're 180s or something like that instead of the 200 millimeter. I didn't measure them, but again, they do work fine. With two hands, I can actually stop it really easily. So like I said, it's adequate stuff for the basic bike needs. So we got a steep hill right here. Let's go up this, and I'll show you. Usually I have to pedal assist on this one a little. I have it on 2, but when you throttle it, it's a full hand throttle, which is a little different than most of them. But it goes up this all the way up without having to pedal assist. It just kind of goes slow. It's a very steep hill. So I'll show you the shifting. It shifts really nice. So anyway, let's check it out. Woo! I'm not used to the throttle. Usually the twist throttles are like a little portion of the throttle being twisted. This one here, the whole thing. I find that a little bit kind of irritating, but, and also when you twist the throttle, it's a little jerky. Again, you know, it comes on really quickly. Well, let's put it on pedal assist 5 and let's just pedal assist it and see how it goes. I noticed the pedal assist comes on really gradually, okay? It doesn't jerk you back like some of the ones I've ridden. The gears work really good. Being out that it's on 16-inch tires, too, another thing you're going to notice is you're going to, if it's on pedal assist 5, you're going to pedal, it's a really steep hill, so I don't want to get too much speed going up here when I'm holding the camera. But when it's on pedal assist 5, you're going to run out of steam. Like, you're going to pedal a lot faster than the bike will go. You'll be pedaling really fast and it won't be assisting you. So there is that. So if you change this, oh, I'm going to get back here. It's a little hard to do. So if I put it on pedal assist 2, really nice and gradual, comes up nice and easy. Now pedal assist 2, I'm actually going to be able to pedal assist. Maybe on 3 it will. Okay, and that'll be about it. Pedal assist 5 is kind of useless. You don't really get a full, you know, you're not doing anything with your feet. You're just kind of moving them around a little. Because again, they're only 16-inch wheels, so on a larger bike, you're going to be able to pedal assist more than you at a higher speed than you are in this one. This is great. I can get around car shows. Goes up to 22 miles an hour. I mean, we're going up a hill right now, pretty good sized hill, down to 16, probably 15 miles an hour. I mean, you're not going to pedal up this hill at that fast. So anyway, really works good. I finally figured out how to turn the headlight on. I'm not reading the instructions. So on the side of the controller here, you just push this button, and you'll notice this will dim a little bit to save some energy, and you have this nice wide beam headlight. And a lot of them, my other bikes have a really like small dot on the ground, but this will help, you know, you from getting run into at night. Is that like a running light too? I guess maybe. Let's see. No. Let's see what this is. There's another button on the side. So there's two buttons on here. Oh, okay. One gives you like, what's that? Oh, there's all these different. So this gives you like, you can, I don't know, whatever that is, if you can see down here moving down. But you turn that on, headlight goes on, headlight goes off. Pretty neat. Again, if you're looking for the basic e-bike that has a lot of the stuff you need, you know, this is not like the creme de la creme. I've seen ones with a full suspension, aluminum frame, and they're run closer to $2,000. This is less than half of that. Look at the website. It's cheap. It's the cheapest one I've seen yet that has a light and it's folding. The cheapest one that has everything you need on it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe.